Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the trunk light on a 2019 Toyota Camry. Tools you'll need for this job are a flathead screwdriver and some electrical tape. And we have a strip light that we got on Amazon. It cost $10. And what you get is a strip, an LED strip with 3M tape. It comes with a few different connectors, an extension, different types of connectors to go into your dome light, a festoon type connector. So it doesn't come with instructions, but it's pretty simple. You gotta figure out what kind of bulb you need, and then choose the connector that you're going to be using. You'll connect it to your LED strip, and then you'll plug it into your dome light. So here's our dome light, and it comes out pretty easy. This is a 2019 Camry, so you just stick your screwdriver in here and then pry it down, and then it'll just come out like that. Okay, so to unplug it, it goes on like this, right? So there's a little, you just push down right on this, but I needed two hands to do it. But just push down on that, and then this thing will just slide right out. So now we have the light out. We can take this apart and see what's inside. Okay, so all we have to do here is to pull up on this clip, and this cover comes off, and we have our bulb. And for this one, we're gonna need this piece. Okay, it slides in there real easy. It looks like this. So now we're going to connect this piece with our LED strip, and we're just going to match up the colors of the wires, like with red here. Let me connect this. Okay, so we're going to do that now. Okay, so now we have it connected. Now we'll just test to see if it works. So we'll put this on here, and there we go. The lights are shining. Okay, so now we can we can shrink wrap this or put some electrical tape on there. I'll just throw a little bit of electrical tape on there to keep it from coming apart, and then we'll install it. One thing to be careful about, if you see any flickering, just make sure that when you've inserted the bulb end into the connector, that the two wires are making good contact. So you have these wires here, they're kind of loose on the white connector that you insert into your socket here. If those are loose or not seated properly, then it's not going to make a really good connection, and your light is going to flicker if it moves. So just make sure that you've seated your bulb, the bulb end of the connector into your socket, and that it's making a good connection. So now we have it taped up and installed. Next we want to place it where we want the light, and we are going to put it right along this back, right on top of this metal part. So what you want to do is you want to make sure it's nice and clean. Maybe use an alcohol wipe and just wipe it down. And then you're going to remove this 3M backing for the tape, and then you're just going to push it right on and fix it to wherever you want it to go. So we're going to do that right now, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so we've fixed it in place. Along the top here, it sticks really nicely. Doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere. So now the last step is to tuck this cable in here and connect that cover back in place. So we're going to do that. So as you see, I just tucked the cable right back into that hole and snapped it back into place, and it makes a huge difference. So I'll show you pictures again at night to show you what it looks like, but this LED strip makes all the difference in the world. So we'll take a look at a few shots at night in just a minute. Okay, it's dark outside, and I want to show you what the trunk light looks like now. So here we have, and here's the trunk. Much brighter, much better than it was before. Here it is from a distance. Huge improvement. Again, this was a $10 LED light strip that I got from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. It takes just a couple minutes and a screwdriver to install, and it really lights up your trunk so you can see everything in there. Much better than the factory bulb that was in there originally. Okay, I hope this video helps. If so, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.